Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. As crafters, we occasionally end up with unfinished projects. Whatever the reason is, they just don't seem to get done. So today, I'm going to show you some of my unfinished projects, some of which are from previous videos, and let's see what we can get done. Let's go get started. So today we're going to use one of my Mosaic polymer clay pendants that we did in a previous video, and we're also going to use 6mm black beads and chain and jump rings. And to make our beaded links, we're going to use 20 gauge artistic wire. We're going to use the looper tool by Beaded, and it has a little hole in the one side that the wire will go through to help hold it. And we put the piece of wire through, be sure it's extended through there, and then you'll squeeze very gently while holding the piece of wire down flush. As you squeeze gently, it will both clip the end of the wire and then bend it to make our loop. So using the looper tool, I'll use the pieces of wire that I already cut to make our beaded links. You put it in the hole on the side. That will help hold it while, as you're squeezing, it cuts and then bends to make the loop. So I will go ahead and finish making all of the beaded links and be right back. So when you go to do the second loop of your beaded loop, be sure that your bead rests right against the edge of the tool. This will make a minimum amount of space so that your bead doesn't flop around too much. Because we're going to use chain that is soldered closed and so the ends won't open, we have to put two different jump rings on the pendant. This way the top jump ring will lay horizontally, we can open it, put our chain on, and they will go out to each side so that the pendant hangs correctly. Now we'll go ahead and attach the rest of our little beads with our chain, and we'll get the neckline treatment finished up. Now that our neckline is complete and the length of our necklace is where we want it, we'll go ahead and finish it by adding the Lobster Clasp on a jump ring to the right side, since most people are right-handed, and on the left side we'll add a little extender chain with a little bead dangle. And here's our finished piece. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the like button. Thank you.